You have the power to change your reality. Welcome back. My name is Krisha, and I am going to boss you up. And I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing, because when I'm done, you're not going to have sugar diabetes. Okay? You are going to get what you want, because I'm not sugarcoating nothing. I'm going to give it to you real. So, with that being said, if you are having trouble getting your manifestation and you would like for me to help you manifest faster, then go ahead and click the link in the description below, or go ahead and email me right now at lovelysecret90@gmail.com so I can help you boss up and get your manifestation fast. You have the power to change your reality. You have the power to create your life, to create whatever it is that you want. So whatever is going on in your reality that you do not like, you can change it. If you feeling like whatever was told to you or whatever happened to you in the past, as far as like with your relationship, where you feel like, y'all broke up, you and your ex, or you trying to manifest a person, whatever it is not set in stone in this current moment. You can change it. Okay? And when I tell you they don't have a choice, they don't have a choice. Okay? This is the energy that I put out there. They do not have a choice. And circumstances do not matter. It do not matter. It helps so many people in your same situation manifest their specific person. Now they're seeing the worst of the worst, and they still manifested what they want. Whether it's money, more money, whether it is a new car, or like you guys love, your person, the person that you want to be with. Because one thing for sure is that whatever it is that you want to manifest, you have to feel worthy for that. You have to feel like it's already yours. And when you feel like it's already yours, because it is, then you are going to attract that to your life. It has no choice but to come to you. And like I said, same thing applies for manifesting your specific person. Same thing applies. So like if y'all were together before, you got to understand, it's the same person. If y'all broke up, okay, oh well, all right. Try not to cry over it, because crying is not going to help you. Since when does crying solve anything? It's a time waster. Okay? So you want to try to focus on a solution. You want to focus on what can you do to fix this. Like Neville Goddard will always say, focus on the good in that person. And the reason being is because the good is what is going to continue to manifest. That is what's going to manifest. And the old shit is going to cancel out. Okay? So the more positive thoughts that you put into this, the negative stuff is going to cancel out. And that's what we want to do. We want to cancel out the negative stuff as much as possible. I have a success story from one of my clients who thought that her situation was impossible because she was dealing with her husband and she did not want to have a divorce from him. He started switching up, acting stupid. You know how they do sometimes. And most of the time it's because we created it somehow, some way. But you know what? She reached out to me. But you know what? Me and her talked and I got her on track and I gave her the sauce and she sprinkled that shit all over his ass and got him back. So I'm going to read this success story real quick, because this right here, y'all don't understand. Like, this right here is why I do what I do, because I want all of y'all to be happy. So let's just jump right into it from my tablet real quick. She said, I wanted to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude for your coaching and the affirmations you provided during one of the most challenging times in my life when my husband left. I was devastated. I didn't know how to pick up the pieces, but I held onto the affirmations you gave me and made the decision to trust my own power, even in the face of adversity. On October 25th, I was served court papers with just 10 days left on my lease. The court date was set for November 13th, and our lease was up on November 26th, so the pressure was on. But I refused to give up. By affirming and persisting every day, my husband and I were able to pay our lease in full Friday, November 8th. I like how she put in the dates on here. This is letting y'all know, baby, we on this. We getting what we want. This shit right here is possible. Husband and I were able to pay off our lease in full Friday, November 8th, just before the court date. No evictions, no worry about losing our home. From there, I was able to secure a beautiful and affordable new place to live. As for my marriage, the turnaround has been nothing short of incredible. I continue affirming that my husband would return, and he did, just as I visualized. He came back in tears, apologizing, taking full accountability of his actions, and expressing how much he loves me. We both apologized to each other and forgave each other and decided to start fresh with plans for counseling and a strong foundation going forward. This journey has been transformative in every way. I'm now living my happy ending, and I feel empowering knowing that I created this reality by trusting myself and persisting. I now have the husband I deserve, a man who is loyal, loving, and devoted to me. Thank you, Krisha, for helping me see the light when things felt so dark. Your support made all the difference. Please feel free to share my story with others. I hope it inspires anyone who might be in this position that I was in. Love and gratitude, your friend. This is what I love, y'all. I don't do this just for nothing. I do this for y'all. And I am so strict on y'all because I want y'all to get what you want. I know you can get what you want. And I know that all our lives we've been told that we don't have no control over our reality. But baby, we got control over our reality. You don't have to sit there and take the shit that we do not like or we don't want in our reality. You hear me? You, my friend, I'm talking to you. You deserve to be happy, and you will be happy. And when y'all come to me and y'all give me these success stories, it makes me feel so good. And that's why I am like I am. I'm very tough on y'all, but this makes me happy. Like, just hearing this makes me so happy to know that I was able to help my girl get her husband back, save her home, get rid of those court dates, and live happily ever after. I love y'all. Like, I'm not going to even lie. Like, I love y'all. Y'all make me so proud. And I'm going to continue to keep helping y'all. And I want y'all to, if y'all can, just please, I want y'all to share my videos so that I can get more people to see these videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because you know what? We are changing our lives one video at a time. And if you want to speak to me one-on-one, the link in the description box below to just sign up for coaching. I'm here for you. And you know what? Let's get our shit.